mic on here. Hey, you're welcome, Andres CV. Alright guys, looks like enough delay here. We got 4 minutes left before the opening bell, so we gonna get right into the watch list here, and I'll go over the announcements a bit later on. VTNR guys, I'm watching this for the short. I hope this one can rip. And AHT, as you can see here on the daily chart, you can see this thing is creeping up. You know, yesterday I mentioned, you know, a break over this 450 should really send it maybe for 5-6, and who knows, maybe even this gap fill here on the daily chart. But that's a thing for later on. Let's look at VTNR guys. VTNR right now we are consolidating around this VWAP here. So you know, yesterday, as you'll see with the recap, this thing had some tricks up its sleeve. So definitely I'm gonna let it do its thing. Hopefully we can rip for maybe 750s, and then I'll start to look for a short. I'm not gonna make the same mistake, you know, shorting into weakness. I don't want to see that. I want to see it hold and push higher on VTNR. AMC, you know, yesterday I had a couple of trades in it. You know, a couple of scratches. Right now you can see here again with the reclaim of this VWAP guys, it's pushing again over this 32. We hit 33s here in the post market. Look at the daily chart again. You know, this thing ripped over this 15, you know, the 52-week highs as well, and you know, it could continue maybe for 35-40, especially as you guys remember with the ANVS earlier this week. You know, if a stock is you know, it's having, or at least it's moving in dollars, not in cents, then, you know, divided by 10, then you'll see a $3 move here going for maybe potentially another 50 cents. So that might look relative compared to the move, thinking, oh, this thing went from 20 to 30. You know, that's insane. It cannot go up any higher. So again, keep that in mind. But I'm going to be out there for the short. I'm going to be looking for the short, guys. So that's definitely on my list. Those are the two main watches. Let's see, PLTR. Let's have a look. PLTR. Yeah, Yext is having light volume, barely 200k, so I'm not really interested in that. PLTR, again, same thing here, coming off the lows on the daily chart. Psychological 25 with the gap up today. You know, I'm gonna wait and see. You know, I would be more comfortable with a short if we can get a rip towards this 25, if it can find that resistance there, so that would be great. What else guys? I had, oh yeah, SPCE, this thing, I have this thing on watch as well. This thing coming off the lows as well, off that 15, or at least off this 14 from the 52-week lows, and it's going up, up, up. You know, again, same thing as with AMC. Thing is moving in dollars. We might see 35, and I'm gonna be looking for a short if we find some resistance into this. But right now, you know, yesterday it had a nice move towards 32.07s. Right now we are consolidating around that VWAP. This white line here again represents the yesterday's close, so barely holding green today in the pre-market, and we'll see what it would do. Right now, you know, you'll have a little bit of an extension here, and I'm looking for a push. All right, 10 seconds to go, guys. Be safe out there. You know, if you feel that FOMO feeling creeping up, slap yourself on the wrist, go wash your hands, come back refreshed. Good luck out there. Sorry for the delay, and let's focus up, guys. And of course, for those who are listening right now to the channel with the charts, I'm gonna turn this thing off, and I'll be back on the public Discord room as well as the channel with the delayed scanner. Again, if you're interested in joining us, use the link precisiondaytrading.com. But if you watch the Free Friday recap, you'll find that I have a surprise in there. So definitely check that out before buying the subscription. And again, thanks for joining. Thanks for watching.